Hey folks, before I start today's Zentangle, I want to get your opinion on something. I was working on these two new bookmark designs, and Dan was like, they need color. And I was thinking, maybe, but what do you guys think? Keep them black and white or add color? And if I do add color, should it be alcohol markers or colored pencils? Since I'm going to be giving them away to my next two patrons, I thought it would be good to get some feedback from you guys. So leave me a comment and let me know what you think, okay? Okay, let's draw then. Now, today's Zentangle lesson doesn't involve any new patterns. Instead, we're kind of freestyling a feather with multiple patterns and just seeing what emerges. The goal is to take a step back from from just the rote copying of patterns and see about developing our own personal style.